Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Felix, and I'll be your host for today. So, on this day, we will be learning on how to solve quadratic functions using factors. In our first equation, we will be starting with x squared plus 9 equals 0. On this equation, we can use the difference of perfect square method, which will give us x plus 3 squared. Now all we have to do is find the value of x, which is very simple. The value of x is negative 3. Now, how about 4x squared minus 16 equals 0? The first thing you do is get the factor so you can get the value of x. To get rid of 4 here, you have to divide both sides by 4, which cancels 4, and 0 divided by 4 is equivalent to 0. Then, transfer negative 4 to the other side so that you will get positive 4, and that is our answer. Okay, for our last equation, let's say we have a trinomial. X squared minus 2x minus 18 equals negative 3. First, let's put negative 3 on the other side of the equation. This will make it easier for it to solve. Now, we will have x squared minus 2x minus 18 plus 3 equals 0. After adding positive 3 to negative 18, our equation will be x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now, let's get the factors of negative 15. Now the factors of 15 is 5 and 3, but since the number is negative, then one of the factors has to be negative. To determine which factor is negative, all you have to do is look at the middle term, and if the middle term is positive, then the smaller factor will be negative, and if the middle term is negative, the bigger factor will be negative. In this case, since the middle term is negative, you will find the negative number, and that will be 5. Because 5 is a negative number, after getting the negative number, we can now get the value of x. Now, we have x minus 5. And to get the value of x, we just simply have to turn it into an equation. X minus 5 equals 0. We shift the 5 to the other side, and that will change its sign. So x negative 5 equals 0 will turn into x equals positive 5. Now we do the same for the other side. X plus 3 equals 0 turns into x equals negative 3. And that is our answer.